Alright, you guys, I got Alex here with me. We're going to do a little video because I'm sure people want to know what the rev limiters sound like. First, go up to the engine and I'm going to do it, okay? And then I'll point for you to go to the exhaust.
I can't see. There. Feel the air coming at you.
Alright, you guys. That's the 4 point... Yeah, it's misfiring, that's why. And I probably blew some carbon out of it. Well, that's it. That's the rev limiter video of a Chrysler 4.7 Magnum rev limiter. 4,000 RPM. 3,800 actually. See, peace out.